Hey y'all, my name is Princess.Jarii and I just got done filming this flawless foundation look. I actually lost sunlight in my dorm room because it's like 5 o'clock now and you know daylight saving time, all that, whatever. But yeah, keep watching to see how I got this look. Like, comment, subscribe on my channel. Tell y'all friends, tell their friends about it, tell their friends, tell their cousins, and their sisters, and their little brothers about it, and tell them to just keep watching me, and I will make sure to try to keep uploading videos. Nah, not try. I will keep uploading videos. So let's get right into this. Okay, I'm bad at editing, so this is just gonna be unedited and just me talking. This is my moisturizer. Yeah, because I have really dry skin. Like, I be having patches everywhere and stuff. Like dry patches, and you can see it in my makeup. I gotta be extra careful on this stuff. I use this Anastasia, and I also use this by L'Oreal. As you can tell, I need to go makeup shopping because my product's looking a little old and dusty, but they still get the job done. And I underline here, and I just start filling it. Since I'm on YouTube, I need to start doing my brows in efficient or sufficient, whatever the right word is. And I try not to touch this part because I go up like strokes to make it like, you know, a dramatic look. See how that looks so harsh on that side? I'm loving it. And what I use for my concealer is this. This is like a NARS dupe. A little bit off my brush and the hell with it. I get some off my brush and I go under with it. And this was like this Milani concealer. It was like I ain't gonna lie, it's high for Walmart concealer, but it's worth it. It's like $8, $9 or something, but it's worth it because it's universal. You can use it for your brows to conceal. You can use it to contour. Like, it just blend in with everything. This brush, I really use it for everything. So I'm just gonna go in like so. And then I did this before putting on primer, but it's alright, y'all. I don't always use primer all the time. It's not a big thing, like, but I'm gonna use primer for this video just to like give y'all that flawless, everyday, natural look. This Milani primer, but it works good for me. I'm not big on primers. I'm big on skincare, like oils, foundations. I mean, not foundation, oils, and like moisturizer, toners and stuff. Primer, like, long as it is hydrating and oil free and mattifying, I'm fine. Well, not mattifying. Get what I'm trying to say. It's a Real Technique brush, and then I'm just gonna put like 1, 2 squirts, and then I'm just going in like so. Alright. Then I try to get a little bit more to blend it into my neck, because I don't like on my neck and my face with 2 different colors. Like, y'all, you can't tell me this is not my skin. You cannot tell me this is not my skin. This is my next. I use 3 concealers. I use this Milani again with the Stay Matte on top, and then I go back in with the BareMinerals under my eyes, because y'all, I ordered this offline and it looked way darker online. It's so bright. So then, oh my bad, I forgot that air conditioner in the back, but it's okay. Y'all heard a few sounds in the videos, and I'm just getting used to this, so oh well. Then you see, like, oh, there it is, it's on the chair. And then I just like, y'all really learning the tricks of this beautiful face for the free 99. And like look, like, girl, this is so pretty. Like, this look like it's coming from my skin. Like, this is a natural highlight. Like, if y'all love me, y'all will give me another brush. Like, it's a little wet. Like this. Because this brush is universal. And I think I need about 5. You can use this to blend your eyeshadow. You can use this to blend your concealer. You can use this to contour your face. Put your setting powder on. Everything. Like, this brush. And I used to use it like this. But like, it looked like it's stippling. Stippling, like, when it look like you have dots in your skin. So I put it on a slant. That's why the brush is so like looks like that now. I use it on the slant to blend it in because I just think it just looks so much better. And what I used to do, I used to brush my nose bone up, and I was wondering why it looked like stippling, like I had holes in my nose and stuff. And that's just because you can't do that. You have to do unto your nose what you do unto your whole face. A caramel color, do not get medium golden. You are not, this is not medium golden. Wait, I didn't even know this was the name of this. This is not medium golden. You gonna see. Not medium golden. Like, it's definitely about a nude color. Not my skin. I just like to go under my eyes. I think I put a little bit too much, but it's okay. See, like, it just highlights my beautiful skin. And the key to having good foundation is good skin. Like, you have to take care of your skin. Don't let people touch your face. Try to keep your hands out of your face for as much as you can. Toner is good. I literally just started using toner about a week ago. So toner, you have to use that twice a day. And moisturize. Especially in the wintertime, because, like, you know, your skin be getting dry and stuff. Like, you don't want that. You don't. And then, so I just go in. Oh, I don't know the name. Oh, this is Color Perfect Foundation Skin by, I don't know. I think it's something Radiance. But yeah. These are all just like dupes of the expensive makeup because I'm not cheap. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not cheap when it comes to my makeup. It's just your girl in college now. She got other stuff she gotta pay for, like my hair, my nails. Yes. I like, even though I'm cheap, I like to keep up with myself with my makeup. When I was younger, I used to buy a lot of makeup. Like, I would spend hundreds of dollars and stuff, but now I got too much to pay for. Like, I'm a struggling college student. You see, like, how that's harsh? I go in with this brush, and then I just blend that in like that, like so. And then just, my boyfriend just called me, he blew it. But it's okay, I love him though. Dang, what? And here I just swipe because I don't like my forehead to look as dark. I like my forehead to look like my forehead, like brown. I don't like it to be that dark. And then I just go in with this brush again, and then just blend all those rough edges out. Get you a brush that is universal. This is a for anything. I am losing sunlight, so I'm trying to get this video done as quick as I can. And then here I get a small little, like, it's not a slanted brush. I don't know the name of it, but it's like kind of like a flat brush. And then I just go over my nose like so to make it just a little more defined. I already have a cute little nose, even though I don't like it. And just going on like that. Satin powder. I get this much. I don't put it on my face, and then I just tap it in. And then I go like this and just pat it under my eyes, because when you're doing natural makeup, you don't want it to look like baked. Like, you want it to look like it's in your skin. So I do that again, and then dust all that off. You want a lot but little powder on your brush. Then I just go in like so. Then try to bring it down, so like. Then one more time. Just getting the excess powder, and then just going in on my forehead like that. I don't really like to set my nose because, like, I don't know, when I do my nose, it looks like my nose be sweating. I don't get it. Like, when I look at my nose and I do close like this, they be having like little water dots. I don't know where that come from. Okay. Okay. This one. is the one I use to put. I use a BH Cosmetics. It's messed up. Like I told you, I need to go makeup shopping again. And I go in with this color because this looks like my skin. So then I just do this. Ta-da-ta-ta-ta. And then go over my forehead. Right here. Like, I don't be liking my chin to look highlighted. My bad, I forgot to contour that. Let me just go back in a little bit. Yeah, I don't like my chin to be that bright. And then with my other brush, I go in with these. I used to go in with these two. I think my sister broke that. She owed me another palette. I go use these two. And that just gives like a more defined contour. Like, even though you're natural, girl, you still won't look like you, like, not have on makeup, but you do have on makeup. Like, you know what I'm trying to say. Like, yeah, beautiful, beautiful. If you really want to contour, you use an angle brush. I use this angle brush by e.l.f. Then I just do that, just do that, and go in like that. And then I just go on my nose with this brush too, cause I don't really like to contour my nose like that. I don't like that. Then just go over. This is my universal brush to smooth everything out. Oh, the sun is going away. I have to put mascara on. I have really long eyelashes, and I don't feel like using lashes for this video just because this is an everyday look. I need to get a eyelash lift. It's crazy. If y'all want, you know, the key to growing lashes and your nails longer and healthier, take biotin. I started. And you can also use your mascara as an eyeliner if you didn't know that. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Good. Then I can zoom in like, yeah, and this is the, got it. Oh, I'm forgetting highlighter, I'm tripping. Okay, and this is called Soft and Gentle. It's almost gone. And then just when you do like skin, you only want to use like a little, like literally in your high spots, like use a very little, because I was about to be done with this video and I didn't even put on highlight. Like, that's how beautiful this was. Like, you want to use it to enhance your beauty, and it's like not make your look bold and dramatic. You want it to make it look like it's coming from your skin, because it is still piercing, like so. And yeah, that's my video. Okay. All done.